What's up, everybody? Caleb here, AZ Legend Adventures. I'm with the man Huff. Woo. And look, that behind us is monsoon clouds, so there's no fishing today. We're gonna be kayaking in the Monsoon Chocolate River. Well, the monsoon rain is here and the water is moving, so we're gonna have some fun. I don't think we're gonna catch any fish, so we're not even gonna try. We're just gonna try not to die. Let it go. You ready? Yeah. Chocolate milk store over here. Monsoon clouds rolling in. Hopefully we don't get a flash flood. This is actually not safe. But you know, there's other people. We're not the only ones out here, so. Actually, we're the last ones to leave though. I haven't seen anybody else get in the water and everyone's kind of already halfway down.
Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, and the first set of rapids, which is usually really mild.
These are crazy.
It's pumping right now. High five. Let's do this. First set of rapids. Woo, look at these babies. Alright, best thing to do is paddle with it. Oh yeah, we got this. Oh yeah, look at water overboard already. Woo! Success. Yeah. Here comes Huff. Made it down safe. I'm standing. I'm standing it right now for this one, you guys. Alright? Here we go. Paddle boarding, baby, on a kayak, kind of. I guess. I'm also gonna fly it down in my seat with it. Oh yeah, piece of cake. Piece of cake. Boom. Piece of cake. Yeah, charge it on. You should have stayed to the right. Paddle with it now. Woo! What are you doing? You got yourself stuck? What are you doing? Off-roading? Oh! Look at him! He's stuck. Man, this is fun. Lots of water now. Now, if you saw the Sycamore Canyon 1 and 2, this is the bottom half of it. Tap code back down at Tuesday. Woo, here we go. All right, I better focus. Oh boy. Oh. Don't lean, stop leaning. Stop leaning. You gotta stop leaning like that. Yeah. Lean towards it. You're better off leaning towards it. Holy cow, I got a black widow on my kayak. Oh. Yeah, black widow on my kayak right there. Trying to bite me in the butt. Might have bit me already, I didn't even know it. Where'd you go? Pick a side. I said you better pick a side, or else you'll get shoved right in the center. I've had that happen, it sucks. Yeah, you don't want to turn sideways. If anything, don't lean that towards the water. Lean towards the thing. Or actually stay as flat as possible. Let the water come over, but if you lean like this, it'll flip completely. It'll throw it like a barrel, you know what I mean? Yeah. So you're better off just holding it and let the water just come on over. Yeah. Make sure you got everything strapped down. Hey, you made it! Successful! You get your own personal river guide. Oh, I hear some thunder, dude. Hear that? Oh, look to the left. Clouds are boiling. We're approaching what I call the jungle. So the jungle, then we're gonna go to the dam. And then there's gonna be a lot of rapids from there. Boom, so stay tuned. Entering the jungle. Watch out for the hippos and alligators inside the chocolate water. Ooh, and the vegetation's really grown high. There we go. This way. That's the only way through. You have to go this way. Oh, my big kayak. Congratulations, you get a cookie. Actually, there's a dam up ahead, and we're gonna throw our kayaks down a little slide. Whew. Where's the clouds? There's our clouds behind us. Oh, jeez. Alright, we're in the second part of the river. I just talked to one of the river guys, my friend Jeff. He said it's running at 600 CFS right now. That is really fast. So we're gonna have a good time hitting these monsoon rapids here in Arizona on the Verde AZ Legend Adventures, baby. Crazy. Probably not. Oh yeah, no. Chicken. Oh. Good luck. Oh, it fell down. Made it, boys and girls. Just edit that out. Well, that's fine. I flipped around and I went backwards. I did it all backwards. Dude, I did the whole thing standing. Yeah. You missed it. I was looking, you were behind me. Did you get me for a little while? Yeah. Dude, did you see me fall fall down.
No.
I fell back and stuff, and I come, I'm like, I got this. This is a sharp turn too. Alright guys, well thanks for coming along, watching us as we go down the Monsoons rapids here in the Verde River. Tap code down back to 2 You're watching AZ Legends Adventures. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, peace out. Have a good one.